बस एक चीज खुल रही है, उसके बाद चालू करते हैं टेस्ट। लेट्स स्टार्ट टेस्ट। चलो हो गया। ये दिख रहा है? नहीं दिख रहा। दिखेगा। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट तो साइंस रहेगा। जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं आज थोड़ा। Used to see inside pulse, X-rays. Faraday per meter is a unit of. Which instrument is used to measure the humidity in the atmosphere? Hygrometer. हाइग्रो है ना शायद। The AC direction and magnitude of the current is periodical. The length of two consecutive crests is L, and the wavelength is given by. When the distance between two consecutive crests, अच्छा ये और फिर ये डिफरेंस है ना, ये डिफरेंस L है, तो ये और ये 2L हो जाएगा। When a body is taken from the equator of the north to the north and south pole, the weight increases. The force of the Earth's gravity on every kilogram is about. Hmm. 10 Newton. The image formed on the retina of an human eye is virtual and inverted. The speed of sound is maximum in medium. The nature of sound waves is in medium. The nature of sound wave is in medium. The work done by friction is not lost, but it is transferred as done by the friction force. Heat energy. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a point between its focus and center of curvature. ठीक है। Almost inverted होगी, but real and inverted. What is the unit of magnification? Diopter. Dash is the work done in moving a unit charge from to potential. Which of the following gases is necessary for combustion? क्या question है? Of the known elements in the periodic table, metals and metalloids, metalloids and non-metals are found in which block? Metal, periodic table, metalloids and non-metals are found in which block? SP. TF. The substance whose odor changes in acidic or basic medium is called. Which of the following does not oxidize, burn readily at high temperature? The atomic number of lead is Pb 26 होती है ना वैसे तो atomic number Pb 82 78 82 क्या होती है? No idea. What is the formula of baking soda? You need to CO3. ठीक है. What is the color of the flame when magnesium burns in presence of oxygen? Magnesium bright white होता है मेरे हिसाब से. Which of the following alloy contains chromium? Stainless steel. Which of the following gas is also known as stranger gas? Uh, uh, Krypton is an anion argon. Which of the following is not a redox reaction? Rusting, lightning क्या होगा? Lightning, combustion, hydration. Rusting में oxidation ही हो रहा है ना सिर्फ. In- Incomplete combustion of a fuel give poisonous dash gas. Carbon monoxide. Which of the following metals is used for making cooking vessels? Copper. The bond energy of catenation next to carbon is. Yeah, the bond energy of for catenation. अच्छा. Which of the following parts is carnivorous? Plants is carnivorous. What? Venus flytrap. Arsenic pollution leads to white foot disease, dyslexia, allergy, black foot disease. Arsenic is poisonous. White foot, red black foot मुझे तो नहीं पता इसका. The fleshy thalamus is edible in what? अच्छा fleshy thalamus. एप्पल में तो फ्लैशी नहीं होता, टोमेटो में भी फ्लैशी नहीं बोलूंगा मैं उसको. Scalenchyma is composed of सिर्फ dead cells. Which of the following animal do not belong to the class of reptiles? Toad, snake, reptiles. Toad नहीं आएगा ना, amphibians हो जाएगा. Which respiratory organ provides more energy? More aerobic, homogenic respiration, aerobic, bioaerobic, anaerobic, heterogenic. पता नहीं. Abiotic property of viruses. Reproduce, does not have any protein. It can be crystallized. Eh? Which of the following is a viviparous animal? ये मुझे नहीं पता. viviparous और oviparous होते शायद. Rat, snake, earthworm, birds. ये बाकी सब चल सकते हैं इनके पास. ये अलग लग रहा है. Which of the following plant tissue is capable of cell division? Which following part of the plant tissue is capable of cell division? Meristematic tissues on dash is the main thinking part of the brain. Forebrain, thinking. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. कि A हुआ. It is a nucleate form of DNA. It is energy currency. Muscle contains special protein called lipoprotein, contractile protein. Contract or stranger gas. Then on which instrument is used to measure हाइग्रो में तो हाइग्रो ही लग रहा है हाइड्रोमीटर तो कुछ और ही होता होगा Kalpana said to me this house has been too big for me Kalpana told me that that house that होगा ना house has been too big for her Ravina asked me if I had her maid's number Ravina asked me do you have my maid's number Deepak said to me I shall come to the office now tomorrow Deepak told me that he would come to the office the next day. He should. The Android can perform all the programs perfectly well. Programs perfectly well. क्या करना है इसका पैसिव करना है all the programs can be performed perfectly well by the Android. The issue has been taken solemnly by the Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External Affairs has taken this issue solemnly. The judge found the prisoner guilty. The prisoner was found guilty by the judge. The judge was found guilty by the prisoner. ये बढ़िया है. The nurse said to me that the doctor was calling me to discuss my blood test report. The nurse said to me, the doctor, the doctor was calling. The doctor is calling. The nurse said to me, the doctor is calling you to discuss the blood report. Yeah, Billy the Kid was one of the most famous outlaw of America's early history. Billy the Kid was one of the most famous outlaws होगा ना the allies of the government decided to withdrew I was looking forward I look forwarding I looked I look forward to helping I look forward helping you complete this project according to the meteorological department yesterday Assam had the heavier the captain as well as the players was सही है no improvement the captain as well as the players बिल्कुल सही है as well as के बाद सही है और नहीं किया ना मैंने no improvement ठीक as long as he completes his work on time I have no cause of for worry as soon as he a cartoon film is being watched by Praveen is watching a cartoon film the teacher said to the students let us start a new lesson let's let us start a new lesson the teacher suggested that suggested to the students that they should he नहीं आएगा ना they आएगा playing in the park is one of the things that small children really love playing in the park is one of the things things. The dash not met me as planned. They, they would not meet me as planned. They could not meet me. P. PQRS. Latest smartphones. Latest smartphones has advanced features. One of the two students that sure to be rusticated from the college next week. One of the two student is sure next. One of the two student sure to be will be sure to be सही नहीं लग रहा has to be सही नहीं लग रहा Miss, Mrs. Gandhi was groomed into political career known as the Iron Lady of Indian politics by her father Pandit Nehru BCDA B है ही नहीं C से चालू हो रहा है या A से चालू हो रहा है AB the first prime minister of independent India Mrs. Gandhi was groomed into political career known as the Iron Lady of Politics by her father Pandit Nehru C से चालू हो गया knows known as the Iron Lady of the Indian politics Mrs. Gandhi CB political career by her father ठीक है ये सही है Hmm. It is illegal to test unknown chemicals on people. If the product is safe, the animals remain unhurt. This ensures that the product is suitable for human use. As the result, such tests are conducted on small humans. So CDA. It is illegal to test unknown chemicals on people. As a result, such tests are conducted on small animals. If the product is safe on the animals remain unhurt, the ensure suitability. Ah, shit. Historical evidence point out that but for a few celebs, black swan, all women who have assumed leadership roles did not get there by sheer industry competence and intelligence. They were allowed only for the convenience of men who were disqualified for assuming these positions, or if it is served some political agenda. In Indian politics arena, arena women leaders were most often convenient choices. Their initial acceptance was the perception that they could be conveniently removed by their inherent acumen those design belied those design. Historical evidence also show that most women who make it to leadership positions have a mix of privileges or higher education to support or of influential mentors or families or belong to upper classes or castes. If there is a survey, I am sure that the figure will show that the percentage of women legislators who have had university or higher education is almost 10% uh, versus such a percentage of male legislators. Despite these privileges, women also take longer to assume leadership position. Even Indira Gandhi, who had the highest elitist advantage and was politically active from an early age, was not filled as the prime minister on Jawaharlal Nehru's death in 1964 and had to still wait for Shastri death in 1966 to assume the prime minister role. Rajiv Gandhi, on the other hand, by the virtue of being the son, even though not politically active earlier, was immediately filled after Mrs. Gandhi's assassination. The question thus is whether an Indian woman shone on Nepotism advantages can be in a top leadership position in a good time. What would be the appropriate title for the passage above? Nepotism, the challenge of relative women in political leadership, in the university and in the fast track, it, and realities of women. According to the passage, what factors have historically contributed to women's rise to political leadership in India? According to the passage, what factors have historically contributed to a woman's rise to political leadership in India? Belonging to a high caste, acquiring high level of self. What is the tone of the authors in the passage? Analytical and optimistic, expository, persuasive. I will skip this. मैं इंग्लिश को भी हिंदी कर सकता हूँ? नहीं, क्रेजी हो जाता है. What does the term nepotism advantage in the context of passage? Advantage due to geographical location, due to political association, family connection, or relationship. How does the author compare the assassination of the leader Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi, and what is the inference can be drawn from it? Rajiv Gandhi assassination leadership was easier as he was a man, showing possible gender bias toward leader. The Gandhi ascension to the leadership was delayed because she was less politically active. नहीं, because नहीं, Indira Gandhi assassination was easier as she had higher. Select the incorrectly spelled word. SYNCH, synchronous, in adver, advertent, effeminate. Effeminate की स्पेलिंग ए से नहीं चालू होती. ब्लेटेंट सही है. लैप्स सही है. रिकैल्सिट्रेंट, एक्विट, ACCUIT, मॉर्निंग, MOURNING, मॉर्निंग, MORNING वाला अलग है, मॉर्निंग वाला अलग है. रिकैल्सिट्रेंट भी सही लग रहा है मुझे. इक्विट, ACCUIT होता है शायद. Acquitted, ACQUI, quit, ACQUIT, quit. देखते हैं. Restaurant, resta, RESTAU. ये क्या है? Tomorrow, TOMORR. Expository, persuasive. इसके बाद क्या है सेक्शन? मैथ्स. तेज तेज करना पड़ेगा. जो न्यू है स्किप करो शुरू में. ठीक है. What is the average of first 6 multiples of 11? What is the average of 6 multiples of 11? 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 70, 77, 77, 77. 6 3 is 6 3 is 18. 1851. 6 8 is 48. ठीक है. The printed price of a book is 640. A retail price pays 490 for it. This 640 minus 60. 13 7 76 से 489 515 6 5 ये हो गया 6.4 अपन 576 144 432 72 216 36 108 9 4 is 36 9 9 15%. Train running at speed is itna and cross the platform in 40 seconds. What is the length of 420 20 into 40 860 300 560. A man is 4 meters 4 times as old as his son. After 6 years the man's age will be 3 times age of his son. में 3 का है इनमें 2 का है तो 8 2 और इसमें 3 9 3 1 equals to 6. What is the present age? 48 shows that 1060 हो जाएगी. The sum of digits of a two digit number is 8. Sum of digits of a two digit number is 8. The difference between the number is the difference between the numbers and that formed by reversing it is 18. A plus b equals to 8. The difference between the number that form. Difference between the number that formed by reversing it is AB minus BA to 18. 10A plus B minus 10B minus A. 9A minus 9B. A minus B equals to 2. A हो गया 5, B हो गया 3. What is the difference between the digits of the number? 2 हो जाएगा फिर डायरेक्ट. Raju can complete a piece of work in 15. Vinay can do it in 20. Vardhan can do it in 30. 60, 4, 3, 2. The amount by would be Vinay 3. 5, 9, 9, 8, 8 3 24. In examination 100 marks. Student obtained 35 and failed by 5 marks. ठीक है. Another student got 50% more than the passing marks and score. How many marks will he have scored? पासिंग मार्क्स के 40 हैं तो 40 पासिंग मार्क्स हो गए. another score is 50% more than the passing marks. मतलब 20-60 करे उसने, but how many will he have scored? ये तो बहुत easy question था. When the price of the product was decreased by 12%, the number of sold was increased by 24. और 25 से 28 नहीं, 25 से 22 हो गया प्राइस. क्वांटिटी हो गई 6 से 24, 25 से 31 हो गई. What is the effective revenue on the total round? 625. 2 2 plus 6 8 3 to 6 5 6 7 7 32 57 upon 625 into 100 25 4 जा 25 25 जा and for the 28 2 5 for the 20 2 2 25 8 जा 25 9 जा increase हुआ है. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation this has equal roots. अच्छा 2k plus 1 नहीं नहीं डाल के देख लेता हूँ. k 0 कर दिया x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 x आ गया इसमें 1 x प्लस x k 1 डालूंगा तो 3 प्लस 4 4x स्क्वायर प्लस तो 0 तो है प्लस 8x प्लस 1 4 हाँ तो बाद में देखते हैं फिर. Sum of money amounts to इतना in 3 years and 6 in 4 years in simple interest. 67 9 79 39 ठीक है. 2 in 9 plus 117 117 माइनस करेंगे 0 5 650 Ramesh bought 10 cycles for 500 each. He spent 2000 repairing all cycles. If he sold 5 of them for 750 each and remaining at 550, then the total gain is मतलब 5000 7000 रुपए की हो गई. ठीक है 755 था 2 7 5 33 750 0 into 5 0 5 5 25 2 5 5 275 0 0 5 6 लॉस हो गया बेचारे को तो 575 7 7 49 1 by 7 merchant has 1000 kgs of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and rest at 18%. The 6 and 4. 2, 3. What is sold at 18% profit? 3. 5, 6, so A and B together can complete a piece of work in 20 days and B alone can 15. 5, 4. A की efficiency 1 हो गई. The annual income of Archimedes is 50% more. वाह, 50% more than Benoit. And expenditure of Benoit is 25% less than the income of Archimedes is 125 more than expenditure of Benoit. XX हो गया, YY हो गया. Yeah, if the income of Archimedes is 125% more than expenditure of Benoit, 5 by 4, x by y equals to 5 by 4. ठीक है. Then what is the ratio of savings of Archimedes and Benoit? 15, 10, 4 was the 16, 4 is the 12. है, ये कैसे हो सकता है? 125, 5 by 4. If the 50% more, the annual income of Archimedes is 50% more than the income of Benoit, and the expenditure of Benoit is 25% less than Archimedes. Archimedes का 100 है तो इसका 75 है, 4 3 हो गया. The income of Archimedes is 125 more than 225 हो गया ना. 25 8 9 by 4. That's 9 or 9 3 the 27, 9 to the 18, 4 4 the 16, 4 3 the 12, 6 और ये हो गया 9. 9 11. 3 numbers are in ratio इतना respective. Their LCM is this and HCF. 5 for the 20 60 to HCF का square equals to 2 4 0 6 6 4s are 24 40. 2400 into HCF equals to 60 into HCF. Into B into C into HCF. बारह सौ into 4 4800. ट्वेंटी फाइव एट जा 4 आ गया. 10 कर देते ना. 10 आ गया. 12 भी बच रहा है. 5 भी बच रहा है. 20 23 जा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया ना. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 99. ओके 9 से पहले होना चाहिए, 11 से 5, 5 4 9, 4 3 7 to 9 ये हो रहा है. ठीक है 9 से हो रहा है ये वाला. 9 7 to 9 5 3 8 9 ये भी हो रहा है. 7 to 9 5 4 9 3 4 7 नहीं हो रहा. 9 6 4 6 4 10 और 18 ही हो रहा है. ठीक है 11 से कौन सा हो रहा है, मुझे से ये नहीं हो रहा बस. 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 9 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 ये हो रहा है. तो एक्जैक्टली डिविजिबल वो हो जाएगा, बाकी चेक ही नहीं करना. 3 numbers are in ratio, this LCM is this is HCF. Where 20 20 this is 60 40 200 goes to H. 6 7s are 42. From point P on the ground, the angle of elevation on top of a 10-meter tall building is 30. Flag is hoisted on the top of 45. 1 1 तो ये हो गया √3. तो ये भी हो गया √3. ये हो गया 1. Find the height of the staff. 07.32 हो जाएगा. The length of the staff. अब √3 क्यों दे रखा है, डायरेक्ट डाल दूंगा मैं. $25x. Hmm. 9 9 का स्क्वायर 2 3 4 25 2 3 4 4 हो जाएगा. Ram traveled a distance of 120 kilometers with speed of 60 and 200 100. So 320. 2 plus 2 plus 2 4. 4 4 is a 32. 4 men and 7 women can do a work in 8 days. 7 men and 4 women. And the number of days 8 women can finish the work. 32 m plus n 8 are 56 women to 7 by the 35 men plus 5 is 20 women. Equals to 3 men 36 women. Total were 48 plus 7 to 55. 55 into 8. 8 women. Men की 1 है. ये सेम है. minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Fun. LCM 6 18 18 on highest common factor 5. 5 3 is 15. 30 5 6 are 30. The fourth proportion of 17 13 2 1x 17 3 96. In a shop, a discount of 8% is provided. In a shop, a discount of 8% is provided if the total payable after discount is more than 5,000. An additional discount of 20% is provided. The determination the final amount to pay customer is fee buys 12 products each price 750. बाद में देखते हैं बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा ये. Instead of dividing 3910 in PQ, he may by mistake it was divided by this. How much? 5 is 40, 40, 10, 48, 45. How much are gain in the transaction? Okay, so we got 23. QR है 5. 2 is 46 हो जाएगा. 1 is 161. 7 3 is 2 1 7 2 14 161. ठीक है. 23 7 is 1610. 0 7 5 is 35 3 850. 8 4 12 17. 17 2 is 34. 34 5 51. 3 is 2. 2 is 16 plus 2 18. पूरे 990 रुपए कमा दिए भाई ने. 17. If the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 50% more than the curved surface area of the cylinder and the volume of the right circular cylinder is this, then the find the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. Total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 50% more. अच्छा 2 pi r plus h is 50% more. The curved surface area pi r h. ठीक है. R1 हो गया, H2 हो गया. And the volume of the right circular cylinder is इतना. Volume I into r square x cube हो गया. ठीक है. 5488 पाई. पाई से पाई कट गया. 2 2 is 4 2 7 is 14 2 4 is 4 2744. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग नंबर है 274. Then find the curved surface area. आशीष 4 है 4 16 24 6 to that to 16 576 for the 2 and for the 2803 for the 23 to the 7 to the 14 plus 1 15 5 1 14 हो जाएगा क्या 14 14 196 for the 36 38 2144 2744. x स्क्वायर और h का x हो गया x क्यूब. 14 मानू भी मैं अगर 14 और 28 हो गया. percent pi r 14 into 28 196 into 2 into 4 6 4 the 2 9 for the 36 plus 2 38 784. Sum of money is divided by ABC in this is share is in what is C share. 599 and 981 2 4 0 47 37. The difference between the compound and simple and uncertain 10% annum is जितना ठीक है 100 10 10 और 1 equals to 900 9000 and the final sum 90000 plus 21 into 900 0099180 0098108900. फाइनल सम किस चीज में the radius of two cylinders are इतना इतना if the curved surface area है इतना इतना and what is the ratio of their volumes. Sure. Pi r square 4 30 upon 6 4 is a 12. So, what is the ratio of the volumes? Pi r square into h upon 10 by 9. A person lent 2300 for to be 3 years for its 9 for 4 years and lent 23,000 to be now for 3 years and it's now for 4 years. It's simple interest, the same interest every interest. What is the annual rate of interest? Sure. Simple interest पे दिया है ना 2300 23 r into t क्या देगा 3 plus 90 into 4 into r 3625 3 5 6 7 25 4 5s are 125 208 25 1s are 25 112 4s are 125 5s are 8 plus by 13 हो रहा है ये तो कुछ अजीब ही आएगा बकवास परसेंटेज आएगी कोई एग्जैक्टली 2.5 तो कैसे आएगा 116 आ रहा है 2 पॉइंट कुछ होएगा फिर 20. Yep. Man goes from Bhopal to Indore at speed of 30 and return with 60. The time taken For the man completed 4 and then the find the distance between Bhavan. 4.5 is 9/2. 3. 18 3 the 480. Nope. Distance मैंने मान ली 120 है, 180 मान ली. Complete the whole 0.5 आना चाहिए. 5 6 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 4 by 9 9 3 is 27 plus 4 31. 40 upon 31. 42% student failed in mathematics. 42% failed in 52 in science. 17 failed in both subject. 42 में से 17 गया 7 5 3 25. 5 4 35. The person who passed in both subject is now guys 60 60 77 3 80 23%. What is the percent? अच्छा 5 से 8 हो गई. 8 से 5 करनी पड़ेगी. 3/8. टाइम नहीं है ना इतना. वही तो दिक्कत है. 12 15 20 60 5 4 3. P left after 8 days of work. Shit. How many teachers are neither married nor conservative? Teachers that are neither married nor conservative. In a class, Anushka is ranked 25 from the top and 36 from the bottom. What is the total number of 25? Find the order. 5, no, 5, 8 प्लस हो रहा है, 16 प्लस हो रहा है, 2, 32 प्लस हो रहा है, 1, 61, 64 होना चाहिए ना, डबल डबल हो रहा है, सो 22। जैसे अगर अगर मैं इसमें 64 प्लस करता हूँ, 161 प्लस 64, 125 प्लस 128, 5, 3, 253, यस, PAELP, EBRYR, UGAAV, RGE, RGPA, AP, LP, AP, एक यहाँ गया, फिर एक यहाँ गया, फिर एक यहाँ गया, फिर एक यहाँ गया, एक फिर एक यहाँ गया, PAELP, अच्छा ऐसे हो रहा है। पहले UG होना चाहिए, ठीक है, AV सही है, YRR ये गलत लग रहा है, E इसमें आएगा ना, YRR आना चाहिए, EPA भी सही है। All chargers are phones. No phone is watch. All phones are chargers. No charger is watch. No charger is watch. सही लग रहा है. No watch is a phone. No watch is a phone. All chargers are phones. No phone is a watch. No charger is a watch. सही है. No charger is a watch भी तो 2 और 3 सही है. Coach is 90. 3, 18, 18, 19, 19, 3, 22, 22 plus 8 is 13 to 3. 16, 15, 31, 31, 40, 50, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 is a 21. 14 by 29, 29 plus 9. 29 plus 9 is 38, 38 plus 19, 40, 57, 57 plus 5, 62, 6, 186. Plus 5, 18 plus 5, plus 6, 8, 13, plus 8, plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. 13 plus 6, 19 ही होना चाहिए. 7 plus 6, 13, 20 plus 6, 26, A plus 6, 16 plus 20. ये ठीक नहीं, ये भी 6 ही हो रहा है प्लस यहाँ पे. 16, 9, 18, 20, 21, 15, 23 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. 13 plus 5, 18. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 23. 7 plus 5 is 12. 25, and this is a shopping mall is has 8 branches in a city. Branch B7 is 5 km north of. B2 is 8 km east of. Branch B3 is 8 kilometers west of B8. And B2 is 14 kilometers north of B8. At 2 is 14 kilometer north. Hmm, क्या था? B3 is 8 kilometer west of B8. B4 is 6 kilometer west of B6. B4 B1 is 5 kilometers north of B4. B5 is 12 kilometers east of B1. B5 is 12 kilometers east of B1. B1 is 5 kilometers north of B4. B4 is 6 kilometers west of B6. What is the direction of branch B4 with respect to B7? 7 से 4 देखेंगे हम तो दिखेगा नॉर्थ साउथ वेस्ट. ठीक है, दोनों नहीं होंगे. पर देख रहा होगा. Bike is pink. Pink is bottle. अच्छा, what is used to store water? 0. 24. 31. माइनस. माइनस है तो प्लस है, प्लस है तो माइनस आएगा. 144 किसी और में आई थी ना. माइनस. माइनस मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. प्लस मीन्स डिवीजन. मल्टीप्लाई मीन्स एडिशन. डिवीजन मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन. प्लस मीन्स डिवीजन. 5 5 बहुत ही बड़ा 5. 35 37 3 8 165 5 7 to 6 to the 12 3 1 1035 18 19 20 21 15 15 15 15 16 15 14 13 which comes second last. अच्छा, सब में आ रहा है आर, सब में आ रहा है एम, आ रहा है आर, आ रहा है डी, आ रहा है तो ये 1 हो जाएगा. टी टी एल तो टी 2 में आ रहा है, इन दो में टी आ रहा है. टी के बाद का तो आर 18 है, 20 के बाद का तो कोई दिख नहीं रहा. ये दोनों में ऐड. वैसे तो मैं यहीं पे देख सकता हूँ ना. छोड़ो पे देख. टी यू यू 21 आर 18 तो सबसे पहले ये आएगा, फिर ये आएगा. टार्ट टार्टरेट आएगा सबसे पहले, सेकंड लास्ट. फीमेल मदर सिस्टर्स. फीमेल्स भी हो सकती हैं, मदर्स भी हो सकती हैं, सिस्टर्स भी हो सकती हैं. ये जो ऐसी मदर्स हैं, सिस्टर्स भी हैं. ये सिर्फ मदर्स हैं और ये सिर्फ सिस्टर्स हैं. सारी फीमेल है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि फीमेल ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कोई और हो. 3 of the given feature Stag fawn cockroach nymph. Kangaroo calf. Kid होता है ना kangaroo. ABCD FG are sitting and facing a center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He is not second to the left of F, but D is second to the right of A. C is third to the right of A, and C is third to the right of A, and C is second to the left of G. B is the immediate neighbor of G. Then who is sitting immediate right of C? क्या है ये? D is not second to the left of F. D is not second to the left of F. Cannot be possible. C is third to the right of A. C is third to the right of A. C is second to the left of G. C is second to the left of G. B is not an immediate neighbor of G. B is not an immediate neighbor of G. B यहाँ नहीं आएगा तो यहाँ आएगा B. यहाँ F आएगा और यहाँ D आएगा. ये राइट में हो गया, लेफ्ट में नहीं. गलत हो गया क्या? B is not an immediate neighbor of G. तो B यहीं आ सकता है. D is not second to the left of F. तो F यहाँ आ गया. A B C D E रह गया बस. 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus 96. 198. P and Q indicate that V is Y is the mother of Z. Y and का meaning क्या है? And he is the son of. ये तो नहीं होगा. And वाला नहीं हो सकता Y के लिए. कि Y is the mother निकाला है. Y dollar. ये हो सकता है, चलो ठीक है. Y and नहीं हो सकता, डॉलर हो सकता है, ठीक है. X and X is the son of. X is the son of Y. Y is the sister of Z. तो Y is the mother of Z. ये तो नहीं हो रहा. Z is the son of Y. Anushka is 12th from the right. The line in the student and students right of the line of the student, fourth from the left of the student. From the how many students are there in the line? Fourth from the left. Nails plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 14 plus 2 है ना. Plus 2 H A minus 2 E minus 2. 15 minus 2 is 13. 9 7 minus 2. L देखना है. 12 plus 2. तो सिर्फ इनमें माइनस हो रहा है. 18 plus 2 होएगा 20. माइनस नहीं होएगा क्योंकि सिर्फ वॉवल्स में माइनस हो रहा है. डॉट वाइट होना चाहिए. ऊपर ऊपर होना चाहिए ब्लैक. ये नहीं होएगा, ये नहीं होएगा. पहले ऊपर वाइट होना चाहिए, ऊपर ब्लैक होना चाहिए. 1, 13, 15, 21, 14, 20, 17, 23, 25, 11, 24, 10. -2, -2, minus 13, 23 कैसे हो गया? काफी -3 +9। देखते हैं इसको बाद में। सी के अपोजिट में आएगा एच। Who is the father of n? Who is the father of n? N is the mother of m. M is the son of r. S and M are married couple. P is the sister of M. P is the sister of M. P is the sister of M. How is O related to P? P O को क्या बोलेगा? P O को बोलेगा grandfather, maternal grandfather. Yol prol crawl hole howl है. Yol को कुछ मीनिंग नहीं होता. Prowler, growler, howler. Yowl क्या होता है? 3 or 5. There are 5 friends each having different height. तो ये निकल जाता है. Only 2 friends are taller than M. L is tallest among all. P is shorter than M but taller than N. P is shorter than M but taller than N. Who is the shortest among all 5 friends? Is taller than P is shorter than M but taller than N. तो सिर्फ एक ही थे. Y कहाँ है? ये दिख रहा है. फिर स्ट्रेट आ गया, फिर नीचे टेढ़ी हो गई और ये डंडी यहाँ सीधी हो गई. ये हो तो रहा है. ये नहीं दिख रहा. सीधी नहीं दिख रही डंडी. Friends friend peers relative to friendly. Yeah, the following option gives same related to with opponent. Enmity, hostility, defeat, contest. Opponent, opponent, contest, defeat, friend, friendly होएगा. Opponent, hostile जरूरी नहीं है hostile हो. Opponent गेम में भी हो सकता है. Enmity जरूरी नहीं है. Contest ही होएगा. Then 14th day of the month was on 27 मंडे है. उसके पहले 20 मंडे होगा. 19 20 मंडे होगा. फिर 13 मंडे 13 मंडे होगा तो ट्यूसडे होगा 14 को. +2 into 3 +2 into 3 +4 into 4 into 5 +6 into 7 7 आना चाहिए लास्ट में बस. Gone is 33. 7 15 5 plus 2 is 22 plus 32 30 32 36 है -3. 16 17 17 plus 4 is 31 minus 7 15 और 14 ये हो गया 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. 16 17 plus 4 17 21 minus 3 जो भी आ रहा है -3 29 29 plus 9 is 27, 27, 47 minus 3, 44. The candidate must have अच्छा छः नौटंकी. Yukti has completed a BA General and has obtained 66% of marks. ठीक है. Journalism. BA in journalism. ठीक है. Have secured 70% marks in section interview. Section interview में भी है. She was born in 95. Must be more than 25 and less than 26. 5 हो गया. 22 27 की हो गई फिर ये 4 अक्टूबर. नहीं, इसका बर्थडे नहीं आया. 26 की है ये. 5 प्लस 22, 5 प्लस 21 करेंगे तो 26 होएगा. ठीक है, ये भी पूरी हो रही है. However, if the candidate she she would be selected direct ना. अभी तो उसकी एज है 26 की तो है. Three of the given options are alike in a certain way. However, one option is not like the other three. 821, 887, 953, 978. What? 10, 11, 16 plus 23. 9 plus 8 is 17. And 16 is 24. सिर्फ ये इवन है, बाकी सब ऑड है. इसको थोड़ा मैं इधर कर लेता हूँ, इससे बढ़िया. हाँ. No one lives below Q. Q सबसे नीचे रहता है. There are 3 floors gap between Q and N. 1, 2, 3. K. M is living adjacent to K. Who lives just below N? Who lives 3 floors below J? L lives below K. L lives below K. कहीं नीचे रहता है. Just below नहीं है. Then कहाँ आएगा? No one lives below Q. There are 3 floor. There is 3 floor gap between Q and K. Q और K के बीच में 3 लोग रहते हैं. M is living adjacent to K. मतलब M K के आजू बाजू रहता है. Who lives just below N? Who lives just below N? Just below N. L lives below K. हो गया. So then what is the position of P with respect to O? P कहाँ है? हैं? कोई डबल लिखा है? K डबल लिखा है. Shit. L lives below K. M lives adjacent to K. L lives below K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors above. Lakshmi walked 10 kilometers from her house to west. There she took a right and walked 5 kilometers. Then she turned right and walked 10 kilometers. Which direction is she going? East. इधर का इधर हो गया. को फ्लिप इसको ऐसे कर दिया. अब यहाँ बॉल आएगी और यहाँ एरो आएगा. Whenever the national anthem is sung, people should stand up upright and respect it. Yes, it should show respect and pride for the country as we are its citizen. No, we don't need to claim patronage unnecessary. क्या लेना है इसमें? लाइट 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 यहाँ पे लाइट है. हाउस इज बिग. हाउस हाउस हाउस. मोतिम जू. जू कट गया, हाउस कट गया. फिर द बिग गार्डन इज रिम टिम पिन. ये छी हो गया, छी. Standing facing towards east. 5. ठीक है. Let T stand between U and S. U is standing third to the right of W. U is standing third to the right of W. And to immediate left of V. W, U, V. U is standing third to the right of W. U is standing at same right end. ये क्या है? 1, 13, 15, 21, 14, 20, 17, 23, 25, 11, 24, 10. Plus 9 plus 11 minus 4. कोई भी सिंगुलर में है ही नहीं ना. -2 -2. 18 -2 से नहीं आएगा. आई या ई. -3 20 -3 से भी नहीं आएगा. 15 -2 तो 18 -2 से भी नहीं आएगा. 16 आएगा. +4 -4 -4 +4 -4 +4. यहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है, यहाँ पे माइनस हो रहा है. ई आई. आज जल्दी दे दिया ना. सिर्फ 1.5 घंटा हुआ आज. कोई आया क्या? आए तो है लोग. चले गए पर कोई नहीं. ना आया. गलतियां ज्यादा हो जाती है ना, ये दिक्कत हो जाती है. किस गलत है भाई? 140 किए थे मैंने, 150 में से 10 ही छोड़े बस. ठीक है, देखते हैं. मैं तब अच्छा क्यों इसमें यही गड़बड़ है सबसे ज्यादा। साइंस। फैराडे पर मीटर। परमिटिविटी। डैमेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन रेटिना। रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड वही तो किया था। ओ वर्चुअल किया मैंने, शी गलत। In medium, the nature of sound waves is. What is the unit of magnification? Which of the following does not oxidize burn? Lois. Atomic number of lead is 2. HU3. Arsenic pollution. Blackfoot. The fleshy thalamus is edible in apple. The abiotic property of viruses. इसमें माइनस होते हैं क्या? चल क्यों नहीं रहा है? स्पीड नहीं आ रही ना. जब द फॉलोइंग इज विविपेरस एनिमल. मीनिंग क्या है विविपेरस? गिव बर्थ टू लाइव यंग वंस. श्योर. वो अंडे देने वाले हैं. ओ इसमें भी गलत हो गया यार ज्यादा. 6 गलत हो गए. कल्पना said to me this house has been too big for me. has been का ऐड हो जाएगा. दीपक said to me. I shall come to office tomorrow. He would. I was looking forward to helping you to complete the project. Look forward to helping. As long as he completes his work. Inadvertent. Inadvertent. T-E-N-T. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Recalcitrant. इसमें ए आता है इसमें. ये हुई बात, एक भी गलत नहीं होगा। वही, ये भी मैं कर देता था, टाइम नहीं बचा। A shop In a shop, a discount of 8% is provided if the total payable bill after discount is more than 5,000. An additional discount of 20% is provided. ठीक है। Then determine the final amount to be paid by customer if he buys 12 products each of price 750. 12 twos are 150, 15 6 900, 9,000। 8% का डिस्काउंट दिया, 4 टू 3/25, 3 is 75, 5 80, 15 150, 25, 3 is 75, 5 1 the 5, 25 for the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 6 for the 2, 5 for the 22, 4 for the 16, 8 1 5 8 2 4, 6 8 2 4 रह गया। वो ए बी प्लस। अच्छा, average speed equals to 2 ab 1 ab। ओ, ये क्या है क्वेश्चन इतना बड़ा। A man invested 3125 on CL, the compound interest for 2 years at the rate of R% and goes to amount of इतना। ठीक है, 480513 5 6 30, 5 2 10, 5 5 25, 5 9 45, 5 6 30, 5 1 5, 25 ये हो जाएगा। 961 किसका होता है? ये 25 का होता है। ये 27 29 का होता होगा। 5 + 4/25 जो 16% है, R = 16 आ जाएगा। The same said for the same period and the time and the rate of R plus 18 plus 17 18 19.5. Then the interest will get। क्या क्वेश्चन है ये? बिना कैलकुलेटर के ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी इस क्वेश्चन में। 24 आ रहा है इसका। जब 6 4 24, यस 6 31 आ रहा है, वो 31 आ रहा है। ठीक है, फिर भी भाई नानी दादी आ जाएगी 27.5 में। तो इजी क्वेश्चन है। 12 15 20 60 5 4 3 9 plus 3 12 into 8 96। What? They start the work together. P left the work 8 days before the work was completed by, and Q left the work after P had left, 5 days after P had left. बट वी लेफ्ट 8 दिन पहले. सो हो गया. You left the work after 5 days we had left. 5 days after P had left. P छोड़ के चला गया था, उसके 5 दिन के बाद उसने छोड़ा. हम्म, उसने मतलब काम होने से 3 दिन पहले छोड़ा तो 9 हो जाएगा, 109 हो जाएगा ना. कट नहीं रहा भाई कुछ. पीने काम से पहले, 3 से पहले. कट 4 वाला क्यू है. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. क्यू ने छोड़ा ना, क्यू लेफ्ट. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. तो 12 प्लस होगा. 4 3 जा 4 5 जा 20, 4 2 जा 8. हाँ तो क्या आंसर. There are two sections X and Y in the class. If the average height of the student of 50 student in is 160, 60 student in Y is 162. What is the average of one so those student? Yeah, ये तो easy question है. 2 into 6 upon 11. Point में आएगा काफी. 12 by 11 almost 1.61 point 161 point कुछ आएगा. Approximately लेंगे तो. Plus 5, 16 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 5, 12 नहीं होगा. 7 plus 5 12 होना चाहिए. 7 plus 5 6 क्यों करेंगे. किसी में 5 कर रहे हैं, किसी में 6 कर रहे हैं प्लस. 5 6 5 5 6 5 5 8 3 6 5 6 5 6 4. अच्छा सेम इनके जैसे ही है. अनुष्का इज 12th फ्रॉम द राइट एंड 4th फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट. तो इसके आगे 3 लोग होंगे ना, 15 ही तो होंगे. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एडेड. अच्छा हाउ मेनी शुड बी एडेड इन द लाइन सच दैट there are 28 students in the line. Oh my god, 15 प्लस 13 करना पड़ेगा. शी क्या गंदा क्वेश्चन है, पूरा नहीं पढ़ा मैंने तो. 4 words. ये क्या है पता नहीं. Prowl, an act of person or animal moving about restlessly and stealthily, especially in search of prey. Hmm. क्या मीनिंग क्या है. बकवास क्वेश्चन नहीं एकदम. फ्रेंड्स इज फ्रेंडली, एनिमिटी ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए एनिमिटी इसमें. अब ये मेरे हिसाब से क्या शी शुडंट बी सिलेक्टेड. क्यों. She would not be selected. Yes, no, she's 27. Less than 26 years on the age on September 1, 2022. However, in the candidate fulfills above the age. अक्टूबर में पैदा हो गया वो. She was born on 4 October. मतलब 4 अक्टूबर 2000 को 5 साल की होगी. फिर 22 की जगह 21 करूंगा. 2021 में 26 की हो जाएगी वो. आई डोंट थिंक सो. ये इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है. देखते हैं, इसको बाद में देखूंगा. हो गया ना. तो ये था आज का स्कोर. थोड़े गलती ज़्यादा ही हो रही है आजकल. उसमें कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा तभी हो पाएगा. तो आज के लिए बाय बाय.